Imagine a home that refuses to stay in one place. This is not just a truck. This is not just a house. This is freedom in motion. A 3-story luxury mansion built with precision, engineered for stability, and designed with elegance, now moving forward on the open road. Rounded architectural curves, panoramic glass walls, natural daylight flooding every corner. And inside, life never stops. Work continues, coffee brews in a modern kitchen, children laugh and learn, conversations happen, dreams grow. Even as the truck turns, even as the road changes, the home remains steady, calm, secure. Because true luxury isn't just comfort, it's stability while the world moves around you. This is mobility without compromise. This is innovation without limits. A mansion on wheels, a future in motion. Wherever the road leads, home goes with you.